Oh, may wildfire dito, babe. Oh, look.
Oh, no. Grabe ganun kainit.
Look.
Look. Oh my.
Hindi ka naman nakakaroon.
Guys, ito na po yung Walk of Fame. Nakikita nyo na yan. Diyos ko Lord. Akala ko pa naman, ito dati may parkingan dito, 8 PM. Swerte naman itong Escalade na to, nakahanap. O homeless. Pero may aso ka ate. O, daming homeless guys. So. Guys, yan na po yung Walk of Fame. Yan.
So ano, magpa-park ba tayo or what? I think this is the whole area of Walk of Fame.
Then that
Ano,
means
Hollywood
wouldn't matter with
Plaza.
you.
Ano, do you wanna stay? What do you wanna do?
Gusto mong mag-picture lang ng mabilisan para hindi na tayo magpa-park.
I know.
As in, may bababa lang na 2-3.
Gusto niyo ba maglakad?
O ayoko na,
Parang why?
parang nawala na ako ng ganang maglakad. Siguro sa Hollywood sign na lang ako.
Hollywood sign?
Oo. At least nakita na natin, natantosan na natin. We don't need pictures anyway.
We got the video.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah.
Okay ka na?
Okay, picture niyo kung gusto mo.
Oo.
So, dito kami sa may mismong Los Angeles. Dito yung sa pupunta naman namin ngayon is yung Hollywood sign. Will take us about 29 minutes. Medyo ma-traffic na ngayong gabi. So, sana abutan namin. Meron pa rin. Ano masasabi mo yun sa ano? Walk of Fame? Ano masasabi sa Walk of Fame? Basta lang. Ayan.
Talagang iba ang reality versus expectation.
Hopefully maabutan namin yung ano, yung Walk of Fame. Yung ano, Hollywood sign. Pangalawang stop.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Franklin Avenue.
Ito yung rush hour.
Parang Forbes Park.
Quiet.
Para kayo nasa Forbes Park. Papadaan kayo ng Forbes Park.
Parang pa-mountain. Kalaking bahay, no?
Lalaki ng mga bahay. Ito kayo so para tayo sa Forbes. Mga white plains.
3 seconds.
Ang mga datingan.
Okay.
Puno-puno eh.
1, 2, 3. It smells bad. I already smelled it. It smells bad. Anthony.
Free parking ahead.
It smells
Free
bad.
parking ahead. 0.7.
I'm going to It smells bad. It smells. Can you just smell your feet?
Hey, mamaya papasmell ko sa inyo yung pit ni Daddy. Nag-aamuyan pa kayo ng paa dyan, ha?
Okay.
Ang ano yung mga bahay to, ba't ganyan? Tapos sa tabi ng ano, di kayo na.
So, ito yung Griffin Observatory parking.
Okay.
So bali papunta kami dun ngayon, pero tingnan mo it's around 7 or 7:30. Kaya ma-traffic, maraming taong gustong pumunta ron ngayon, no? Sobrang traffic. Kailangan pa ng mga batang magpahinga and it's around 7:47 in the evening. Yan. Marami pa ring tao. Alright, nakahanap kami ng parking lot na rito sa mismong loob. It's around $10 per hour. So ito, papunta kami sa may Griffin Observatory. Yan pa. Dito marami pang parking dito. Kaya yung mga tao rin ayaw mag-park. So it's around 1 hour. Watch out girls. Ito yung itsura ng gabi dito sa may Griffin Observatory. Ha? Oh, look at that.
Kasi bumaba pa tayo.
Sayang. So guys, ito yung itsura ng Hollywood.
Alam mo, meron naman kasi tayong ganyan, remember?
Yes, solid.
Ang laki pa.
Malaki pa. So this is what it looks like. Ang itsura ng Los Angeles sa gabi. Tapos yung sign nan is nandoon sa kabila sa may Hollywood sign will be right there. Pero hindi namin siya inabutan. So from here, we're going na lang dun sa may observatory. Come on, let's go Cassie. I know, right?
I'm so scared.
So,
Can you go solo first?
yeah. Oh, sorry. Daddy, bayan. Where's Rizzy? Where's Rizzy? Where's Rizzy? So okay, hindi kami umabot dun sa ilaw. And then, ito si Arya. So, uwi na kami. Hindi namin naabutan pero at least na-experience namin yung pagpunta dito sa observatory and then yung Hollywood sign. Medyo matraffic at saka matao. Dapat before sunset mapuntahan mo na sila. Cass, Rizzy, Daddy's here.
No, I found the pagan.
Oh, di ba? Wala na yung mga ano, wala na yung traffic na
Tapos dyan na ang akyatan.
Oh. Saan ang akyatan?
Ito, onti na lang yan dyan. Dyan tayo bumaba.
Oh, tapos ito yung tunnel. So mas konti na lang ang tao yata ngayon kumpara yung kagabi. So papunta na kami sa taas, sa Griffin.
Pwede ka lang patayin nga ano ko. Okay lang mo pa.
Kailangan pa siguro, dyan na lang yan. So yan oh, dito na kami for the second time para sa sign ng Hollywood. Pero tatanungin natin si Aisha kung magpapa-observatory pa kami. Pero mga 2 hours yun, so mga $20 yung parking. Tingin mo.
You would get them a lot.
So abutin ka rin ng mga kung 12 ang isa sa atin.
And Alfred and Mommy, I said, this
50.
means in sign language.
70, mga $70 din abutin. Tapos ito yung tunnel.
Continue straight onto West Observatory Road.
Yan, ito yung tunnel na papasukan papunta ron sa... Oh, ba't may nag-hazard si Raba yan? Sasakyan niya.
When he said,
So,
Mommy said,
tunnel, and then yan yung
and then Mommy
observatory.
said, what do that means? And we're here. Look at that view. Well, it's actually, all the trees are actually blocking right now. But I'm wearing Crocs. And yeah. Here you guys, I'll show you the view. This is so risky. That's a view. And there's Daddy.
Rizzy, come here. Alright, we're back. So, ayan. Dito kami ulit, umaga. Mas mainit. Mas makikita namin yung sign ng Hollywood. So, you wanna go there, ate? Let's stay here in the shades. Yan. So, alright. So, mas okay din na bumalik ka rito. Tapos, ang purpose lang naman talaga namin dito is yung Hollywood na sign, yung observatory. Marahil siguro pwede nating akyatin yan mamaya. Ikot lang doon, tapos baba na ulit. Yan. Mapagod. Bali nag-hike kami, nandun yung sasakyan namin. Hindi pala nandun sa kabila. You know. Tapos nandun kita mo mismong city ng Los Angeles, right there. Tapos yun na yung sign ng Hollywood. Yun lang. So worth it din naman yung punta. $10 yung parking dun sa baba. Tapos punta namin yung observatory. Yan.
Daddy, can you look?
Do you wanna take a photo there or no? O wag na. Hmm? Wag na? Tingnan mo yung Hollywood sign na yun, doon yung Hollywood sign na. So ayun, observatory. Mukhang hindi na kayong pupunta dyan. But yun yung Hollywood sign.
And the Hollywood sign. There it is. I'm going solo first.
Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Kasi ka dyan. Look at the city.
Can you take me solo
Yeah.
first tonight? Of course. Ready?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. You come here, ate. Dito ate, oh, look. Down there. Ito kalayo yung Hollywood sign. Pero pag sinumin mo yung camera, ito yung ganito yung magiging itsura. So, that's it for this Griffin Park. We're going home. Cassandra, let's go! Kasi, let's go na. Kasi, let's go. Let's go.
Can I see the
Okay, go. What do you see? Come on, let's go.
I cannot see it.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, girls.
No? Ah, my hat!
Your hat still intact. Okay, watch out. Yan, bababa na kami ulit kasi yung parking namin is mag-aalauna na, ay magwa 1 hour na. So we have to rush. Let's go. The Griffin Park. Ah, wow, look at that. Look at this one, mami, oh, Cybertruck.
What's a basketball?
Yung sa ano, kay Kuyanita with the LA Lakers.
I'd like to go see the game.
Ano, para kami nag-hiking kanina dun sa observatory sa may Hollywood. Ito, katabi namin, oh, tignan mo. Yan yung nakikita nyo ng mga Tesla, mga Cybertron, Cybertruck. Ayan, oh. May-ari mga. Baka naman rental din to.
No,
Tingin mo?
Mexicano.
Ayan. Come on, samahan nyo kami. Si Aisha dito na lang daw kasi hindi siya, wala siyang hilig sa basketball. Tama ba? Eh paano si Kenita, hindi mo siya bibilan? So, mismo, nandito kami sa may mismong arena ng LA Lakers. So ayan o, may game. I'm not so sure kung may game, pero we'll see.
Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you're pushing 40. You can never little bro me. You're on step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats.
The excavator.
Elevator. I'm gonna go
Alright,
with Mommy.
so today we are going to
Can you
the
go
pier.
sit inside of Arya?
Ah, no need na. So we're going to the pier.
Waste of time. Yeah.
So we're going to the pier right now. Tapos mga around 1 hour drive ulit. So yung bakasyon namin dito ngayon is just relax. Hindi kami nagmamadali. Hawak namin yung oras namin. And yun nga, isa yun sa mga gagawin namin. Tapos papapicture daw sa urban lights. Then babalik dito para na naman dun sa Disney. So talagang dito kami nagstay at pinagsawaan namin tong lugar na to, which is okay rin naman talagang gawin para hindi yung hindi yung mabilisan. So ayan Anaheim. So this was our home for the past 7 days right now. And yung Los Angeles, Mami, teka lang, kasi are you going out ba?
Did you bring my shades?
Yeah, it's right there.
Mommy, hey, you guys. Yeah, I love you. I forgot to put petroleum jelly on my lips.
Oh no. So yan, yung naging setup namin dito, hindi na kami nagpapalit-palit ng hotel. We just stayed in one hotel.
Made out of wood.
Kasi look. Puno. Kasi puno, nasusunog oh.
What's that? That's fire. It's fire. Why?
Wildfire, look.
Oh no.
It's a wildfire. Oh, may wildfire dito, babe. Oh, look.
No. Grabe ganun kainit.
Look.
Look.
Oh my god.
Ganun kainit dito.
Look at that.
Oh!
My god.
Ganyan kainit dito, nasusunog na lang siya ng kusa. OG. Ito din oh.
Yung gilid nila, oh. Look.
Oh no.
Ay, no. Pero apoy.
Oh no. Kung tayo snow dahil sa sobrang lamig, sila sa sobrang init, umaapoy na lang sila ng kusa.
Apoy nila yung gilid mo.
Oh no.
Okay, we're here at the Pacific. Kaya nandito na kami sa sa Pier 39 Santa Monica Beach. Ayan. So sa gilid kami ng bundok.
All the famous YouTubers, they go there.
Where?
The Saint Monica, the Santa Monica. So we
Really?
see a lot of YouTubers.
I'm a YouTuber too, you know.
Oh yeah! I forgot.
You forgot. Si Kuya nag-U-turn niya. Sabi mo no U-turn, you know. Ayun yung side. Look, Ate Cassie, that there's a ocean. Ayan.
Stop it! Stop!
Bakit?
Mommy, Reese dropped the sign. No, I think I
Dun ka.
dropped it when she was holding it. No, Reese make a mess.
Oh no!
Ang
In
haba
600
nito.
feet, make a U-turn.
We'll just have to wait. Everyone is waiting. Ayan na po.
Ulas-ulas na naman ang beauty natin.
Medyo ma-traffic din dito pagdating dito sa mga U-turn slot, but we're here. Ang problemahin naman namin ngayon is yung parking na to. Malayo pa ba tayo o pwede na tayo mag-park dito sa kabila tapos maglalakad tayo? $15 full day na yan. Pero ito, at least dito na kami nag-park sa malayo. Lalakarin na lang namin doon kasi hindi namin alam kung meron kami makukuhanan din doon. At least makapaglakad-lakad lang din, di ba? Yun yung ocean coastline.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.